When we talk about mom, whether she's housewife or working, it doesn't matter. All we need to do is just keep patience and keep our fingers crossed. Hello and welcome to my channel Learning Funny Activities. Myself Priya'z, and today's video is a collaboration with Kristina from Purple Alphabet and is all about three mom's favorite. So it's definitely dedicated to all the ladies who work hard throughout the years and still they have some favorites. Okay, so my first favorite is all about numbers. Yes guys, it happens frequently that my little girl doesn't even bother for numbers. So this is the trick which I apply. All you need is a slice of bread. Put any number mold over it. Here I am using number 8. Then press it gently and peel the rest out. Now, if you wish, you can take another slice of bread. Repeat the process with other number and it's as simple as that. Just check it out. Now, the fun and yummy part is you can take any flavor of the liquid syrup. Here I am using chocolate because she loves chocolate. Drizzle this liquid over all the numbers and here you go. She couldn't take her eyes off. It was so irresistible and finger-licking, and she was surprised to see her favorite number covered with chocolates. And guess what? This idea became a hit in my house, and now this trick helped me a lot to make her learn and identify numbers easily. So guys, do try it home and you will be in love with your work. So my next favorite is this DIY earring holder. Actually, it's incomplete. I am still working on it, but I am super excited to share with you all because I'm in love with it. It's actually made by a waste cardboard and a net fabric, and it's super easy to hang all the danglers that even my little girl enjoy matching all the danglers with its respective pairs. Last but not the least, my favorite magnetic alphabet. This stick and learn alphabet is one of my busy bag items. It's very satisfying. I carry it everywhere, whether it's a restaurant or a long trip. Sometimes I take a marker, whiteboard, and I write alphabets on it and she has to identify and match the letters. Just watch it. And yeah, this was my favorite. It always kept me satisfying, happy and energized. Okay friends, do share your thoughts and favorites and comment below cause I love to hear from you guys. I also thank Kristina for organizing this collab and I'll make sure to leave a link in my description box below. And all those who are participating in this collab. If you're watching this video for the first time, then come on in, hit subscribe, press the bell icon and don't hesitate to give thumbs up. I'll see you guys around in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.